Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Genshin Impact crashing. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on your game and click on show more options. And here you need to click on open file location. So once you are here, click on this launcher.exe, click on show more options, click on properties. Here you need to click on compatibility and here you can see option disable full screen optimization. Click on that, click on apply and OK. So this is the first solution. The second method is you simply need to go and here you need to search for the device manager. You need to open that. So once you open that, here you need to find the display adapter. So here it is, click on that and you need to update drivers. So once you done that, your issue will be solved. So this is the process how you can fix Genshin Impact crashing. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.